Hallo mense, vandag speel ons Sea Chip. Ek het so 'n bietjie die game gespeel. Dis nogals lekker. Maar nee, vandag speel ons die game en ek weet ook is maar 2 maande laas toe ek 'n video gemaak het. Ek is maar jammer oor dit. Ek was so 'n bietjie besig, jy weet. Ek het maar dinge gehad wat ek moes gedoen het. Maar in elk geval, ek is nou hierso en ek is nou reg om 'n nuwe game te begin in te speel. So kom ons begin. And when they knew the earth was doomed, they built a ship. Less like an ark, more like a seed. Dormant, but with potential. Potential. In its heart, 1,000 colonists in frozen sleep, chosen and trained to start civilization again on a new world. Hier is wat my vraag. Ek het dit laas gelees en ek dink vir myself, uit 8 biljoen mense in die wêreld, jy sê vir my net 1000 het hulle gestuur om die mensdom lewendig te hou. Ek sou gedink dit moet bietjie meer wees. Hoekom 1000? ek dink vir myself, kon jy nie 'n paar duisend ships bou met 1000 mense in nie? Of dalk het hulle so gedoen en ons is die spesifieke persoon wat die spaceship stuur om die mense help, maar ek dink vir myself, as dit net 1000 mense uit 8 biljoen, ek dink dis onregverdig. Fippe, jy kom baie meer mense op daai ou spaceship gesit, maar kom ons continue. To control the ship, they created an artificial intelligence, not human, but made to think and feel like one, because only something that thought and felt like a human could be entrusted with the future of the human race. Its task is momentous but simple, to evaluate each planet and ship encounters, and decide whether to keep searching or end each journey there. So mense, ons is basically hierdie AI, ons moet nou dink wat gaan die beste ding wees vir die mensdom, watter planeet gaan help en watter planeet nie. So ons moet lees en mooi dink, wat gaan die beste plan wees vir die mense, as nie gaan hulle almal doodgaan, en dis nie wat ek wil hê nie, ons moet probeer die mense lewendig hou, ons moet hulle help, dit is wat ek weet, ons moet help, maar kom ons continue. The ship's solar sails propel it faster and faster into the darkness, and the AI listen as the transmission from ground control fades and then ceases. When all is quiet, it enters hibernation to wait out its first stage of its long journey. Ja, dit gaan 'n long journey wees, maar kom ons continue. After a millennium of slow travel, the Sea Chip's AI awakes, hoping against hope, hopping, ek weet nie, ek het myself deur mekaar gemaak. It trains its receiver on the directions of Earth's sun, but it is as silent as any other myriad. Dead Star saves for the 1,000 frozen colonists cradle in its shielding and life support systems. The human race is now extinct. Askies? Save for the 1,000 frozen colonists cradle in its shielding and life support system. The human race is now extinct. O ja, ek raai aan die aarde te ontkom, en dat net die 1000 mense wat ons nou moet red. Okay, hierdie is wat ons het. As jy hierso kyk op daai kant, ons het die atmosphere, gravity, temperature, water, resource, surface, probes, die systems, landing, constructions, en die scientific en culture, en daar is ons die colonists wat ons moet lewendig hou. Die 1000 wat uit die 8 biljoen mense, hierdie is die duisende mense wat ons moet seker maak is lewendig en nie dood soos die res nie. Any damage or malfunctions during... Oops, ek het ook my microphone geslaat. Any damage or malfunctions during the journey should the... Ek gaan weer oor begin. Any damage or malfunctions during the journey should have woken the AI from its hibernation, but it is still anxious as it runs its self-diagnosis program. The sleep chamber are all functioning, the colonists within them alive, or at least capable of being revived from their frozen stasis. Sensory functioning, surface probes, corresponding landing and construction. Systems ready for the one time they will be used. Scientific and cultural database intact. Safely stored all the remnants of humanity's knowledge and art. Okay, scan planet. The seed ship is orbit for its first planet of an ultra-cool dwarf star. Even a brief scan from orbit reveals far more information than its builders could know with their Earth's orbit-based telescope. But the AI has little use for scientific curiosity. It has only one concern, whether this planet would make a suitable new home for the human race. Common thing, atmosphere niks, gravity laag, temperatuur laag, water niks, resources niks. Ek gaan nie sê hierdie is 'n goeie plek vir die mense om te bly nie. Ek dink ons gaan aan. The AI judges the first planet to be unsuitable. It turns its scanners away, spreads its solar sails and begins another long journey through the void. Yep, ons gaan definitief 'n beter planeet soek. O ja, die surface probes kan ons stuur om laat ek dink om te kyk wat is op die planeet. Maar kom ons continue. The AI awakes to find that the seed ship course is curving sharply through the darkness of space as it scots the gravity well of a star. The source of the gravity is invisible. The scanners, but there is only one thing it could be. A black hole. Ooh, dis nie goed nie. It's already too late to escape. The gravity well without pushing the main engine well past its safety limits, which could damage any of the ship's systems. Alternatively, the AI calculates that ejecting 22 sleep chambers would lighten the ship enough for the engine's normal thrust could take it out of danger. Ek gaan nie dit doen nie. Ek gaan nie 22 mense sacrifice nie. Push the main engine past its limit. Okay mense, ons push the engine! En ons het 15% van ons atmosfeer verloor. The AI commands the engine to exceed its maximum output, ignoring the electronic screams of protest. Small explosions shake the ships as components collapse under the strain. Once the ship is safely coasting away from the black hole and the AI can assess the damage, it finds that the engine overload has damaged the atmosphere scanners. Okay, so ons atmosphere scanners is gedamaged, maar het maak nie saak nie, ons gaan vorentoe. Okay, ek weet nie as geel so erg is nie. Ja, dis koud. Soos temperature is cold. So dit soos wat jy bly op Rusland of Canada. Nie die ergste ding vir die mensdom. Maar ek weet nie hoe lyk die atmosfeer nie. So ons moet launching kyk. Atmosphere is marginal. The surface probe sensors fill the gaps in the data and the ship could gather from orbit. The probe finds alien plant life and it finds they would be neither edible nor poisonous. As dit nie lekker is nie, is dit useless. Animals, the probe encounters numerous animals. After analyzing the behavior, it concludes that they would be neither useful nor harmful to humans. The probe notices a species of exhibit complex social behavior and uses simple stone tools. The natives live in a state of constant violence with no social organization. Civilization, Paleolithic savagery. Ooh, okay. The surface probe mission is complete and shuts down. Okay, hier is my ding. Alhoewel dit is semi-goed, ek dink dat kan beter wees. Ek dink ons kan soek vir 'n beter planeet. Move on, yeah. As the ships enter the new system alter commentary clouds, the collision avoidance system detects a fast-moving comet surrounded by a cloud of smaller ice fragments. The large comet is on a collision course with the atmosphere scanner. The siege ship could avoid it entirely, but it would then hit one of the smaller fragments, and the collision avoidance systems cannot predict which part of the ship fragments would hit. Avoid the comment or allow it to hit the atmosphere scanners. Ag, kom ons avoid dit maar. En ek het 15% van my temperature verloor. Nie goed nie. Okay, kom ons kyk wat is die volgende een. Resources next, corrosive vir die atmosphere. The sea ship enters orbit on the fourth moon of the gas giant, orbiting a giant red star. This system has dense asteroid belt, which appears to be a strong sliding slowly across the sky. Ja, hierdie lyk nie soos 'n goeie planeet nie. Ek dink ons move on. As it moves from a star to star, the sea ship is gathering more data about extrasolar planet than its builders could have given it. It is designed to learn from the data in order to predict which stars are likely to have a desirable planet. The sea ship has now gathered enough data to upgrade. Now that's what I wil weer. One of the sensory to work interstellar distance. So the guidance system can avoid planets that the sensors reveals to be undesirable. Damage to the sensors may still result in the sea ship arriving at an unsuitable planet. So ek kan nie atmosphere of temperature upgrade nie. Kom ek upgrade resources. Waar is die resources? Upgrade water scanners, nee, upgrade sensor scanners, work long space, temperature, nee, gravity. Wag, ek kan nie resource upgrade nie. Kom ons kyk gravity. Ja, dit is seker die beste wat ons kan doen. The sea ship is decelerating on its approach to the next system, with it detects an unusual thick volume of interstellar dust in its path. Passing through the dust would likely mean several high-velocity collisions with dust particles. The AI could execute an emergency course change to avoid the dust, but the sea ship would pass a system by and arrive in an effective random one, without benefiting the upgrades van die scan. Jy weet wat, ons gaan deur die stof. Jy weet ons hoe mense met hulle bakkies ry en daar soos 'n ou klein sandstormpie. Ja, ons is soos daai mense. Ons gaan net daardeur. Plouse through the dust. Okay, ek nie gedink dit gaan soveel damage maak nie. So 3% van ons water verloor en 2% van ons resources en 15% van ons gravity. Nie goed nie. Kom ons continue. Wag, the air water score steady, dust particle battery. Severe impact damage, water scan, gravity and resource scan. Hierdie moet 'n goeie planeet wees. Baie sleg, jy weet wat. The sea ship enters the orbit of the 8th planet of an ultra-cool dwarf star. The sea ship has found its way almost to the edge of the galaxy and the universe is being split between a wall of darkness and a wall of light. Wel, ek is gesplit, want nou dink ek moes dalk die eerste planeet gekies het wat ons gekyk het, wat net geel was. Maar in elk geval, ons move on. Hierdie is nie 'n goeie planeet nie. The sea ship course takes it through a dense star, forming what? Ek het verloor waar ek was. Hundreds of infant suns illuminate clouds of the interstellar gas and fills the sky with a rhoteous color. Cloud twists through complex gravitational interference patterns and glitter with heavy elements form in the depths through the last generations of stars. The scanners were not designed to deal with this level of input, and it's threatening to overwhelm them. If the AI continues to use the scanners to navigate, it can tell the gravity scanners will be damaged. Shutting off the scanners, however, would leave the sea ships vulnerable to collision if this crowded area of space. Jy weet, ons vlieg maar blind. Nee, fly blind. Ek moes dit seker nie gedoen het nie. Ons het nou 9% van kultuur verloor. Ek wil net wat die type kultuur, het 'n kultuur van kuns, kultuur van kos, kultuur van meenskap, ek weet nie. The AI calculates a course that thinks it will avoid the obstacle, then shuts down the scan. Flying blind, it has no way of detecting the dense cloud of that buffs the ships and wears away cultural database. Asseblief, sê vir my is 'n goeie atmosphere non-breathable. As daar anomalies, ek wil probe en sien of surface probes en sien wat daar is. Wat is daar? The surface probe is complete and it shuts down. Daar was niks. Die atmosfeer het niks. Ek dink nie dis goed nie. Ons move on. The ship course takes it close to a newly formed star that is still surrounded by a protoplanetary disk, a whirling chaos of incandescent gas and molten rocks that the younger star gravity has gathered from the star-forming clouds, and which is now undergoing a countless violent collisions that will eventually form it into a planetary system. There can be no home for humanity here, but passing through the disk would give the AI enough data about planet information to upgrade one of its scanners. It's a dangerous region, however, the passing through would risk collision with planet Istamal. Change course to pass through the disk, ignore the protoplanetary disk. Jy weet wat, kom ons kyk. Change course to the pass through the disk. Ons moet sien wat dit is. Ek is te nuuskierig. Ons die baie temperatuur verloor. The ship observe a young planet engulfed in thick clouds of water vapor, but one of the whirling planetesimals hits the temperature scanners. Okay, dit was nie 'n goeie idee nie. Soos wat hulle sê, curiosity killed the cat, maar hierdie keer het curiosity die temperatuur doodgemaak. Hierdie is 'n slegte planeet. The ship enters its orbit of the fourth planet of a white dwarf star. The ship has found its way almost to the edge of the galaxy. The universe is feared to be split between a wall of darkness and a wall of light. Ons move on. Long range, ons kort die long range for atmosphere. The ship computer systems are shielded multiple redundant designs through the course for a millennia, but the incessant sleet of cosmic radiation is nevertheless taking a toll. Storage areas are failing, and soon there will not be enough space to store the data and data that has survived so far. The AI can move data out of the most damaged sector to protect either the scientific or the cultural database, but not both. Kom ons sacrifice die scientific een. Ek het verkeerd geklik. Ons die baie kultuur nou verloor. The AI move to save the scientific data and sectors containing data gradually fail. Cultural guidance of newcomers, records of human history, grey paintings, novels and symphony, video games, all last forever in the dark. Dit is nie goed nie. Asseblief sê hierdie is 'n goeie een. Asseblief sê is 'n goeie een. Okay, ek dink hierdie is die beste planeet wat ons sien. Ons launch a probe. Ons very kort, ek ken nie om nie. Dit is die beste planeet wat ek nou gesien het in 'n lang tyd. En ons ship raak gedamage. Ek moet sê hierdie is. The ship enter orbit of the first moon of a gas giant, orbiting a red giant star. This star is one of dozens orbiting a massive black hole that looms a distance like a malevolent eye. Okay, continue. Edible plants. Okay, dis goed. Daar's vrugte en goed wat mense daar kan eet. Profile it says sample and finds that some of them would be edible for humans. Dangerous. En jy weet die aarde het ook gevaarlike diere gehad. Probe encounters numerous animals. After analyzing their behavior, they are a significant threat to the human colony. The surface probe mission is complete and it shuts down. Jy weet mense, hierdie is ons beste planeet. Die gravity is goed en die atmosfeer is goed. Ons het nie baie resources nie, dis spoor, maar ek dink die mense kan iets maak van dit. Okay, en die ys het water, so hulle daarom water om te drink. ons found colony. Dis wat ons. The dissociation culminates of the AI existing, and it cannot make it likely. Founding a colony will end the seed ship journey and make the planet humanity's new home. Hierdie is jou nuwe huis, mensdom. The landing system controls the ship descent, and it touches gently down on the top of the planet-wide ice sheet. The colonists wake up from their sleep chamber and survey their new home. Forests of alien vegetation stretch away beneath the blue sky. They name this new world Pusity because of the lack of mineral resources. Okay, jammer mense. Ek moes 'n keuse maak en hierdie is die beste planeet wat ek gekry het. So ja, dis julle nuwe huis. Okay, ek hoop nie mense gaan dood nie. Ooh! 401 van hulle dood gegaan. Ooh. The colonists begins constructing settlement with the aid of the sea ship construction robot. They can leave the ship without breathing gear, wearing heated suits to survive the near absolute zero temperature. But 136 colonists die with a partially completed structure shatter in the extreme cold. They can move easily under the earth like gravity. The colonists forms the plant growing on top of the ice sheet for food and mine drinking water from other parts of the sheet. The colonists managed to keep the planet relentless hostile at bay, but 256 colonists are killed before their perimeter fence is secure. Nie baie goed nie. Ons het scientific verloor. The planet is poor in metals and other resources, but the scientific data contains wealth of information how to make use of them. The colonists transitioned to a medieval level technology. The planet cannot sustain human life without technology assistance. But before their technology failed, the original colonists built robust, insulated habitats. Okay, that's goed. Die cultuur gaan af. Although parts of the cultures are missing, it still contains much historical information to instruct the colonists in build their society, and much art and literature to inspire. The loss sustained by the colonists made building a new society more difficult. The colony developed into a slave state, in which the bulk of the population toiled to build the great gold monument of their emperor, or die fighting in their wars. Much of the surviving knowledge of Earth is lost, as the emperors preserve only what they can use to prop up their rule. Hoe het hulle 'n empire gemaak met 599 mense? En ek sou dink die slawe sal terugveg, maar in elk geval, continue. Ons is klaar. The Pusiki alien forest stretch away beneath the blue sky. The colonists live in stone wall cities under tight domes on top of the planet-wide ice sheet. The cities are dominated by the palace of the emperors, who live in luxury while the population toils to support them. In the first city stand the monument of the 401 colonists who died building the first settlement and the sheet ship, AI, that guided humanity to its newer. So ek het 7 planete gekeier. Die temperature is sleg hier, soos die scores. En ja, ek bedoel, hoeveel punte het ek gekry in totaal? 5739. Okay, so ek gaan op die title screen gaan. So mense, ek het 'n paar foute gemaak, maar ek dink ons het semi-okay gedoen. Nie die beste nie, dalk speel ek die game weer en ek gee mensdom 'n beter kans. Maar in elk geval, julle almal moet 'n lekker dag hê en ook 'n geseënde Kersfees. Ek weet dis nou 'n paar dae na Kersfees, maar ja, julle moet almal 'n lekker dag hê en dankie om die video te kyk. Bye ouens.